The Cloud Miner is a reward system offered by YouHodler, where users can earn real Bitcoins by completing simple tasks. To start earning, you'll need to work with blocks. To start mining a block, simply click on it. The computational power in the miner is called a spark. Sparks are used to activate blocks, which initiates the mining process. When the mining process is complete, you earn rewards which increase your wallet balance. Simply click on the relevant block to claim your reward. The number of free sparks, available blocks, mining speed, and cost, as well as the block reward, depend on your current level in the miner. You can increase your level in the miner by using the YouHodler app and completing tasks or reaching a certain trading volume. As you progress through the levels, you'll receive a welcome pack, unlock new rewards, and have access to more opportunities to earn. So start earning with YouHodler's Cloud Miner today. Keep increasing your level and maximize your rewards.